increase the length of the antenna to get a stronger signal. And when you receive a signal indicating the presence of water, the device will swivel in that direction. Track the signal until you reach the target location. When the device swivels towards the back, it means you have passed the target. Confirm the target from 4 sides, from north to south, from south to north, from east to west, and from west to east. After you have confirmed the target place, shorten the length of the antenna and stand above the center of the target. Then the machine will begin to swivel in a circular motion. This shows that you are directly over the water. After that, we have now completed the identification of the whereabouts of the water. To determine the depth of the water that has been discovered, stand at the center of the target and turn 45 degrees in any direction and begin to walk straight ahead until the device swivels backwards. Stop and measure the distance between the center of the target and the point where the device swiveled backwards. The depth of the discovered water is calculated via a simple equation. Distance multiplied by 10 equals the depth.